morning, everybody. Yes, we're day 2, full day of our little trip to Cathedral Caverns. We're actually going to go into the caverns today, so we're looking forward to that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Weather was horrible last night. We had a little rain, a little hail, and it's still raining right now, so it's a good time to go to the caverns. So we're going to do that around noontime. So that's the plan for today. We're going to got a little sausage cooking on the griddle. Emmy's going to bring some eggs out here in a minute and put them on, and that's what we're going to have for breakfast. That's where we're going to be going through right there. Yes, sir. This is going to be fun. Supposedly this is the largest entrance to a cave in the United States. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but this is the hardest part, is going downhill. Killing my toes.
Kills the back of my ankle.
Well, look at this huge opening. Yeah, this used to be a fallout shelter years ago. It's amazing.
you'll come up here a little closer and look right down on top of it, when I turn my light out and move it, it'll continue to glow just for a split second.
Yep, it did.
Were y'all able to see it back there?
Mm-hmm.
When Mr. Gurley made it back here and saw all of this, he knew it was something he had to show his wife. So he went out and convinced her to endure that Jeep ride across the bridge that I mentioned to y'all. And she came back here with him. Well, when she got back here, she looked right up here and she said, "Jay, that reminds me of a pipe organ in a cathedral."
All right, we made it out. Safe and sound.